Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how you can fix your PowerPoint hanging and lagging problem. So let's get in. The first thing you want to do is go up to the top left hand side of your page, and we are now using the desktop app. We're going to tap on File and we're going to look at all the way at the bottom. There is an options menu, and we're going to click on the options menu. Now once we are in here, you can see that there is a menu here, and we got general, proofing, save language, accessibility, and advanced. We're going to look for advanced, and over here on this menu we're going to scroll, and we're going to look for the display option. Right over here underneath the display option, we'll have an option that says disable hardware graphics acceleration. Now if this is off, you may have some issues with the processing of your slides on PowerPoint. You want to go ahead and click on this and make sure that it is checked, and once it is checked, you're going to go out and tap on OK. It is now going to reset. I do suggest that you close PowerPoint and open it up again, and you can carry on working. You will not have any lagging or any hanging. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.